Hi everyone, I'm Sonia from Nave and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to getting started with the Nave Power-Up for Trello. To find the Nave Power-Up, you first need to click on the show menu icon on the top right corner of your Trello board. Select that Power-Up option and a new window will appear with the Power-Ups directory. Go ahead and click on the Analytics and Reporting tab. Here you will be able to see the Nave Power-Up. Click on that and accept the terms to complete the setup. To open the Nave Power-Up and access your chart, simply click on the Nave button at the top of your board and a welcome window will appear asking you to log in with Trello. Click on it and authorize your Trello account with Nave by clicking Allow. Once you are logged in, go ahead and create your first dashboard to see Nave in action. Create Dashboard screen will appear right away. If you combine Scrum in your approach, enable Sprint Setup. Select sprint duration and the start date of your next sprint. Drag and drop your Trello lists to their respective states: to do, in progress, and done. Once you're done, click on Create Dashboard at the bottom left of your screen. In just a few seconds, Nave will create immersive dashboards from your data. On your overview page, you can instantly see your main flow metrics such as cycle time, work in progress, and throughput, as well as a summary of all your charts. For a more detailed overview of your performance, the range of charts are accessible on the sidebar to your left. Pinpoint your bottlenecks and evaluate process efficiency with the cumulative flow diagram. Find out how long it takes to get things done with a cycle time scatterplot. Prevent delays with an aging chart or assess team performance with the throughput histogram. There are no limits to how deep you can dig into your data. Make use of the sidebar to your right to filter by specific lists, labels, or team members for a more precise understanding of your flow. Make the most of your trial version, and if you decide to upgrade to your membership, simply click on upgrade icon next to your profile avatar. There you have it. That's how you enable and use Nave Power-Up on Trello.